Good morning, everybody. We had this first trade here. Thought I was recording, wasn't, but it was these highs here, along with a previous high that all lined up. We broke through. We put our entry right at the top, and we got our 1 point. Now we're just looking for either something in the opposite direction or another trade. We're seeing one more trade for the day. And we're done. Good morning, Carla. Yeah, gold is just, it's ripped back up. I mean, you can see here we were selling off, big sell-offs, and now it's found some support down here. Let me get rid of all these lines. And now it's just bounce. Good morning, Zap. It's just bounced up. And it looks like we'll probably continue just to rip up all day. I wonder why all of a sudden we found some support here in gold. We were just completely selling off, but yeah, that was the first trade there. Got a break of these highs. Caught our 1 pip off of, or our 1 point off of momentum. And now we're just waiting for another trade, which it might be a while. We got kind of these lows here. And we've got these highs over here. Let's see if there's another high in between that we could grab. No, not really. Okay. Yep. That's what we're working with. I'm going to get that set up real quick before, just because it literally happened as the live stream was being started. But we'll go ahead and do our verse of the day. Verse of the day is Ephesians 6:12. Our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. It's Ephesians 6:12 is the verse of the day. Yeah, this is what we look like on gold. Let me go ahead and pull up some music. And we will check on the news for the day. Get this music started first. Make sure y'all can hear it. All right, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and do the news. Let me pull this up. Going for X Factory. Share my screen. All right. News today. We've got at 10 pending home sales. That is tentative. Yep, it is. So could happen, could not happen. Just depends because this government shutdown. And then we've got crude oil inventories at 10:30. I'm not seeing the tentative on Fed fund rate or FOMC statement. So we actually might get some movement there. We might get some movement there. We might get some movement on this 2 o'clock and 2:30 news, which I'll be watching because we haven't had news really all week. So it's been like weeks actually since the government shut down. So I'll be checking out at 2 p.m. to see if we're actually gonna get some news, see what they say. Because a lot of these meetings have just been getting canceled. So, but yeah, that's the news for the day. Let's look at see if we can find out anything about gold, because I'm wondering why gold is spiked today or why it found support. We're just, ripping down. Gold's off on the beginning. More solid prices. Let's see what Yahoo has to say. Yahoo Finance. Opening below 4K. Gold's dip below 4K follows Trump's announcement that U.S. is close to making a trade deal with China. Okay. So that's what it is. 100% tariff on Chinese exports beginning in November. So I wonder if he's going to go through with this tariff or if he's going to delay it. Because I know when he was doing stuff with copper, he was saying he's going to do a tariff and then he would delay it. It just was causing the market to go crazy. But we'll see. I mean, we're coming up on November in a couple days, in a few days, so let's see what happens with that. Right now we've got gold try to sell off. We got down to these lows here at 40, 30, kind of spiking back up. I'm going to put a line here at the top because that was pretty big. Decent move there. If we can break back above this, I don't see why we don't just keep ripping higher until we get to these 40-60 area, 40-50. And I mean, we're not looking to catch it all the way up here again. We're just looking for 1 point. So, but yeah, now it's just a waiting game. While we wait, we'll go ahead and do our daily Wordle. So let me go and pull that up. Hopefully we can go 3 for 3 today. We've been on a little streak. share my screen so you guys can see. There we go. All right. Here we go. We're always going to start off with the same word. We chose the word. It's going to be trade. Just makes sense. But one day we will get this right on the first guess. But that day is not today. All right, we got A and E. R is in the wrong spot. R is in the wrong spot. I need you guys to help me out because R in the wrong spot. A. Maybe it starts with R. R, I just don't know it. R blank A. Trade. R doesn't go there. It could be like something. Let's say, and then A-R-E. Hair. I could go here. That's an air word. Snare. It's snare. It's gotta be snare. Do this on the second guess? Oh, man. I thought for sure it was snare. Okay, well, at least we know it's A-R-E. Snare, spare. Glare. It's gotta be glare. Come on. Third guess. We did it. We did it. Third guess. That's big. Let's go. Alright. 1 for 3. We get 2 for 3. That was the New York Times one. I think that everybody gets. Alright. Starts with a T. We got an A and a D, just not in the right spot. T, A, and a D, just not in the right spot. Toads. Okay. That is TO. I don't know why I did AD in the same spot again. That was a waste of a guess. Just wasn't paying attention. TO. Todd. I think it might end in D. Oh. AD. DA. DA or AD. DA. D. Today. That's the word. It's gotta be today. Let's go. Third guess. Killing it today. Alright. One more. Go 3 for 3. Obviously gonna start with our word. Okay. R. T in the wrong spot. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Looks like here on goal, we're pushing back up towards this high here. We'll just be watching this to see if we can get a, if we're gonna get a break here and continue higher. Brit. I don't know, guys. Something R. We don't have a vowel yet. So we got O, I, U, and sometimes Y. All right, 1 second, guys. So we might get a trade here. Let's see. We push back up towards these highs. We broke it. Let's see if we need to close. Nope, we didn't. We didn't get the close above. We did come up here and test it, come back down. Now we're just waiting for a break and close above, and then we'll have our entry criteria met. Yeah, but we got 5 more minutes, so in the meantime, we're going to continue this world. All right. Oh, okay. Bribe. I mean, yeah, we've already used the E. Could do bride even. Maybe it's an extra. It's wrong. Oh my gosh. You know what? You know what is that? You're a smart man. This might be it. On the second try. I don't think we've had one on the second try in a while, or maybe ever. This has to be it. This has to be it. Oh my gosh. How? How was that not it? Wow. That's crazy. I thought for sure. I mean, for sure. Used all different letters. We had the vowel in there. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That was a good guess, though. That was a very good guess. Very good guess. I really don't know. What if there's no R? The letters. Well, I guess, yeah, I forgot that we had the T as well. But the T's not in that spot. I didn't even see it. I completely forgot about this T. Can't start with T. It could be a P, PR, FR, BR, CR. We still don't have the vowel. All right. We might be getting into a trade here. We're gonna take this off so we can lock in. If we get this close above, we got 40 seconds. 30 seconds. Really, now that I'm looking at this line is drawn on. The top of this is right here. I don't know why I have that line so low. So we did break it, but we didn't close above. Let's see if it can happen on this next candle. Keep an eye on it. Go back to our wordle. It's been kind of tough. And just figure out really what the vowel is. That's what I don't know any. Brute. Okay, the other vowel is U now. So that'd be, so R-U, T's at the end. So, okay, R-U something T. R-U man, what could that be? R-U, trying to figure out the end of this word. R-U something T. R-U. R-U-I-T? R-U-I-T kind of looks right. R-U... Still have an S. We still have an S. I forgot we had that S. Crust. It's crust. It's crust. It is crust. Crust for the win. Come on. 3 for 3. Dang. How is it not crust? I mean, what other word could it have been? I mean, come on. R-U... R-U... I mean, just so unlucky. I mean, it's crazy to me. That was not crust. R-U-I-T? R-U... R-U... It's I-T. I just don't... Any R-U-I-T words. I can't think of one. Oh. If it's not fruit, if it is not fruit, I'm ending the stream. Let's go, man. Fruit. Fruit. Are you kidding me? R-U-I-T. Fruit. Yeah, we got close to that one. We have one more guess after that. That was good. Really good, really good. Let's see what gold is doing for us. Nothing really right now. Came off this high, bouncing down. I want to see a break and close above this high. We'll look for entry. Meantime, I mean, it's just a waiting game. Hope everybody's morning is going good. I'm gonna check when this government shut down. I'm gonna see how long. How long have we been in the shutdown? I have a clock for it. What? There's a clock for it. It's 28 days. What is this? This is minutes or seconds, minutes, hours, days. So 28 days and 6 hours and 31 minutes and 47 seconds. Day 28. I think that's right. Let me double check. I mean, that's the .gov website. Days. Yeah, day 28. That's what? 7, 14, 21, 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. Yeah, that's 4 weeks. Morning Salt in the Swing. He said, where was your trade this morning? This was the first trade we caught. Or you can see the time here down at the bottom. It says 5:50. I usually start the stream at 6. So this was just a little bit right before the stream. I was just sitting here. We actually got this set up. It happened very quick. So I'll show you what it looked like. We had this high. We had this big candle break it. Now, mind you, I'm sitting here getting ready to set up the stream. This happened so quick that I wasn't able to stream it. This big candle right here. And mind you, I start the stream every morning at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I was getting ready to start the stream, but this happened. Couldn't miss out on this trade. I mean, this was just... We had this high here. We had the high way back here as well. I couldn't miss up on it. And again, like I said, it happened so quick, and it was right before our stream. But yeah, we had the entry here. Got our one point move up, and now it's playing around. But that was the stream this morning, Sultan. was just waiting for another one. I really want to see a break and close above here because I don't see this. Really pushing down. Back down here. May as well put this link in the description or in the chat. Forgot to do that. My stock is on the screen. This is gold. This is a gold futures chart. Gold, gold, gold. No problem, man. Let me put this in the chat real quick. I don't know if we have any baseball fans in here. If anybody's watching the World Series, who won last night? You guys know? I know Ohtani was pitching. I have to look it up and see who won. Dang, that candle just completely flipped. Did y'all see that? It was like red, it just flipped green real quick. See if we get a break here. These last 40 seconds. Let's see. It's pushing up there like it wants to. Be ready for it if it does. Gonna do it in 10 seconds. Gotta wait for the next candle. It might do it right here though. Yeah, let's see who won the world or that game last night. World Series. Blue Jays won it, so it's tied now. Beat them 6-2. Looks like Ohtani didn't do too well. He's probably tired. I mean, they probably were all tired from the day before. That game didn't end until 3 in the morning. Just insane. Came back up, tested that resistance area, and that's pushing back down. All right, and if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to just shoot your questions in the chat, and I can answer them probably late. Or if you guys have any videos that you guys want to see, suggestions, video ideas, let me know. I will make it this weekend. Always open to any suggestions. So hey, Soul in the Swing, I don't know if you're still on here, but how's your swing training been going? And gold got literally right to 3,900 and then just bounced straight up. I mean, like, it came like perfectly to 3,900. So excellent. Since he turned me on to gold, it trends nicely. Yep, it sure does. I mean, especially right now, it's, I mean, perfect time to really trade gold. Trump's talking about the tariffs with gold and putting 100% tariff on China. So really, like, those precious metals right now are trending pretty nicely. I'm sure there's some other I'm sure like copper is probably trending nice right now. Maybe like silver. I'll have to look at those charts and see. But yeah, kind of helps us out when he starts doing tariffs, or at least talks about it. It'll push the market. So, but that's good to hear. I'm glad it's going. I'm glad our swing trading is going good. So we got another push up, right back to this same high at 43 point, like 34ish. It's just kind of struggling here. Which could be, I mean, a good thing for us. If eventually, when we break this, we might just pop up, continue to go higher, or it could actually really be struggling and end up turning around here. Seconds left in this candle. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a break and close. Well, we got the break. Doesn't look like we're gonna get the close above. See a little bit of a range possibly developing here. So, something like that. When are you coming to the dark side and take more risks for a big move? Man. I don't know. I think I told you this like maybe a while back. I had like a personal swing account that I was trading with my own personal money. But yeah, I don't know. I've always just day traded, scalp, so it's just kind of what I know. It's my bread and butter. So yeah, it's my bread and butter. I'm laughing because my mom was in here and she texts me because I called her by her name instead of saying mom. I don't know if she's still in here, but if you are, hello, mother. But yeah, I definitely probably will throw a little bit of money into an account. I don't have that account anymore, but I liquidated it, took all the money out of it because I just did. But yeah, I'll probably throw some more money into an account and we'll start back swinging, holding for a bigger move. I might wait to do that. I might start that at the beginning of the year. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. At the beginning of the year and do that. I'll definitely keep you updated on that though. Once I start that, how that's going. Might ask for a little bit of your input. You're the swing guy. Try for $4 per. What do you mean for try for $4? What do you mean there? You take one, go for a trade that will get you 4. You take one. You're talking about 4 points? I assume that's what you're talking about. Go for a trade that will get you 4. Yeah, 4 points. I mean, yeah, I could. I mean, I just know based off, like, for example, here, I know majority of the time, like, I think back testing it was like 90% of the time I'm gonna get that 1 point. So I mean, if 90% of the time I'm gonna get the 1 point, I'm gonna take the 1 point every time, rather than trying to get like 4 or 5 or push it. Like for instance, here on this trade that we took back here, this big green candle, we did push up and it went up like let's see, from 1.5 or 41.5 to 42.8. So it gave us just over a point. We grabbed our 1 point and got out. And you see it reversed after going out 1 point. It reversed from our entry all the way down here. What was that? 41, 30. So about 11, 12 points. So if I would have been going for anything more than 1 point, I'd have been in drawdown. But I mean, yeah, there is sometimes that I do look at it and it does like rip. It continues to rip. I could get like 4, 5, 6, 10 points off of it, but it's just what seems to work. I just keep getting my 1 little point and just. No, you're good. I see what you're saying. I mean, I've back tested it. I've looked at trying to get more points, trying to get the most out of my trade. But yeah, it just was what works for me. I mean, obviously, if I get another account, I might play around with it and see just to. I would have to back test it. That's really the big thing. I have to back test it, go for probably like a month or 2 and practice it before actually taking it to the market. But yeah. Hopefully we can get into a trade here soon. Gold will do something, break either direction. I don't really care. I just want to get out of this little range that we made. But no, yeah, trust me, there's times I'm like, yeah, man, I know I could probably get more out of this trade, like squeeze more. Like it's a good setup. It's got the opportunity to keep running. But I have noticed, like especially in my past and over the years, me trying to be greedy, it always just comes back to bite me in the butt every time. So Yep, exactly. Exactly, Sultan. Also, as well, like, which is another reason I want to get into swinging, because I know I can just put on a trade, set some alerts, and just let it play out. Um, but I kind of like scalping too, because I can set about an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours apart in my day for me to look for just one or two setups, take them, and then just be done. Move on with the rest of my day. Do some work. Do whatever I gotta do, because that's one thing I will never do is just be at the charts all day, just sitting here. Like, that's not one. I don't think that's. I mean, some people can do it. Me personally, I can't, because one, I got other things to do. Two, your mind will just, I mean, it'll just start making stuff up. I feel like the longer you look at this, I mean, your mind will literally just start making stuff up. Like, oh, I see a gap here that's probably going to need to be filled. Price is going to come down here. Oh, wait, this looks like a resistance now. This looks like a support. This looks like a fair value gap. Your mind will just start making up strategies that aren't even a real thing. I mean, so I'm not really a swing. I just go for a trade at a swing point. I mean, that's smart. Honestly, that's a high probability setup. You know that you got traders probably with a lot of money, a lot of capital, looking at those swing points as well on the higher time frame. So I mean, that's smart. Typically, how long do you hold your trades, Sultan? You like closing in a day, or you holding for like a couple days, or only an hour, or 10, 15 minutes? I guess it just depends on the trade. He said, no more than you. They should move fast. Oh, okay. So you are kind of scalping slash like day trading. You're just waiting for it to get to an exact swing point. And okay, that makes sense. You look for 4 points. Okay, gotcha. .4. Alright, I'm going to start a poll. See what your guys' P&L is looking like this morning. Green, red, or are we break even? Hope everybody's green this morning. All right. Come on, gold. Let's get a break. Come up here. And that'd be nice if we could just move the candles ourselves. Grab price, drag it up here. This we will. So I'll play a game while waiting. Game of checkers against Bill Jr. or Bill Sr. See if we can't get him today. Yep, this ain't looking too good. I trapped myself. I go here, I'm gonna get double jumped. I go here, I'm gonna get double jumped. It's not good. Not good at all. Oh my gosh, he's got me trapped. I really trapped myself over here. Put myself in this corner. Not good. Dang, he's gonna get jumped. That might have just cost me the game. It definitely did. He's got it. Why is he in all the corners, bro? Get out of these corners. Okay, we got him stuck there. Oh my god, that was dumb. Well, he got us. Surrender. Oh, just jump me. Yeah. And he got us. Started off shaky, started to come back, now I made a mistake. Play again. We are starting to sell off. Pretty big sell off. Start of a new candle. Let's see if we continue to push lower. Yo, what am I doing? What was wrong with me? I'm just playing terrible. Double jump again. Yep, he got us. I mean, there's just nothing we could do. Just playing dumb. It's got us everywhere. Dang. Well, that was quick. Bill got us today. Selling off. Hopefully we can get an entry here. Trying to break it out of this range. Oh, my goodness. Got a minute and 30 seconds left in this candle. I think we're gonna get an entry here. $31.9 to $30.9. So our entry would be stop we go. See if we're gonna get tagged in. I think it's trying to push back into the range. That's exactly what it's doing. Yeah, me too. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. We're getting that push right before 40.30. So it's a pretty strong green candle. We can continue higher, break that high, close above. I'm going back down so if it closes outside the range. Get tagged in here. Just missed our entry by literally one tick. It's looking like it was a good thing. Right down there. I'll probably get tagged in here.
Stop filled.
Okay. We got filled at 0.6. I'm gonna move this down a little bit. 30.6. There we go. That's where our stop will go.
Order filled.
Nice. It was a little bit of a struggle. I mean, obviously everyone would like it for just to go run the straight to take profit. It bounced up a good little bit, but we eventually got there. Done for the day. Beautiful trade. I'll be back again tomorrow at 6. You guys are going to continue trading. Good luck. Hope everyone has a good rest of their day. Yeah, it did take some time, but we got there eventually. But yep, I'm out.